Hi there, it's Ryan from RJS here. A lot of people have questions about cables and sockets and things behind the units. I'm just on a job now and I'm just going to show you what we do. Here we've got a cat flap, which we've taken the cat flap off. There's a cat flap on the wall there. And a socket, a phone line, and also an old internet and another double socket here. What we've got actually behind the plinth is the phone line runs all the way down and out the room. And what we'll do here, we'll take this phone line off the wall because this is what the client needs for their internet. This is old, so this will stay behind the unit. So what we do is we put the plinth, it will go against the back skirting, so there's a 20mm gap between the wall and the unit. So it's a service gap, so it allows you to put things like this behind it. And also when we put these sockets in, there's a plasterboard back box we use, and it needs a service gap behind it. So this is what this 20mm allows for. Don't worry, there won't be a 20mm gap on the finish. Okay, so we've boarded up the cat flap. So this is the back of the cupboard here, and this is where we put the double sockets, socket back boxes. They're the wrong way round right now. We're just checking they fit. So they'll go this way. When you stand the cupboard up here, you see inside there is the holes, and the plasterboard back box will go in the hole there. Like so. That's it. There, and then we feed the wires through and wire it up, and it looks very nice and neat. And we're going to drill a hole in the back here, in the bottom of the cupboard. The socket goes to this one. Next one here. Yeah, that's all good. And nice and neat and tidy. Put the phone line inside and the sockets inside also.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.